Hi, it's Mike.
Windows Mail, which is Microsoft's built-in email application that comes with Windows. Now, it's a good alternative to Outlook, and it's also good to use if, say, you have all your business email addresses set up in Outlook and you want a separate application to handle your personal email so you're not getting them crossed over. This is a good way to do it. So search for Mail, open the application, select the account type that you're setting up, add the email address, and then if your email address is already linked into your Windows account, it shouldn't ask for a password, but if it's not, it will then ask you for your email password. So as this is linked, it will just sign in automatically. And there it is done. Similar sort of layout to Microsoft Outlook. Got the usual options of reply at the top. And there's a calendar as well, which opens up in a separate application. Then your settings is down here. You can add more accounts if you need to. And the usual deleted items, sent items are all here as well.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.